The mistake that we make when it comes to behavior planning for kids who have certain diagnoses is we try to fix them. We try to make recommendations that will normalize them, that they will play well with others, that they will engage in social activities. Our job is to teach them how to engage in social activities. It doesn't mean they're going to choose to engage in social activities, and that's okay. That's okay. Our job is to help these kids to be successful the way they're wired. So any plan you put in place, you want to have the background on that kid from the cognitive sense and realize that what you want to put in place is based on the way they're wired, the way they function, and stop trying to work against it. Because those types of diagnoses don't go away. All right? I can't just give you an accommodation plan that you're going to take into life, and you're going to think you can walk onto an airplane and say, I didn't get the seat I wanted, and if I sit in the middle, I'm going to flip out because of my sensory system. That's not okay. You've got to learn how to accept it and pull yourself together, and what are the tools that you need to pull yourself together based on the way you're wired. But you can't unwire them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.